Welcome to the video lecture. In this video, we are going to see the next topic in Python programming, Python functions and logic. Let's move on to the topic. So a function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. So think of it as a machine. You give it some inputs, that is arguments, and it processes something and then it gives you the output. So the basic structure of a function can be defined using def, def, which is used for defining the function. So greetof is the function name, and I'm printing hello Python learner statement inside the function. So to call or run the function, you have to call the function name, that is just greetof. So it will give you the output as hello Python learner. So how to use a function with parameters? So if I'm defining the function with the parameter name, that is greetof name, then I can print using the parameter, I can print a statement here. So if I'm calling the function as greetof Sam, then it will print the output as hello Sam. So you can make your function accept values using parameters. So functions can return values also instead of just printing them. So you can define a function like this, add of a comma b. So here I'm going to add these two numbers and return the value. So once call the function, it will add the two numbers and store it in result, and if I'm printing result, then it will give you the output as 8. So based on the concept we have learned, we are going to build a mini project, prime number checker. So in this project, it introduces you the logic inside a function and conditional checks and looping through a range. So let us build the project. So let me define the function first. Defining is underscore prime, and you all know the concept behind finding the prime number. So it should be greater than 1. So if n is less than 2, it should print false. Or else within the range or I range of 2 and square root of n, so plus 1, I'm adding the range for range 1 plus 1 for range. So if it is between this range, then if n mod I equal to 0, then it should print, it should return false, or else it should return true. So is prime of n for the given number. So I have defined the function. So based on this, I'm going to check whether the given number is prime number or not. So I'm getting the number, input of enter the number, so if the function defined, we have defined a function, so if the function defined of that particular number is true, then it will print it's a prime number, or else it will print not a prime number. Yes, I'm going to execute the program. So if I'm giving 5, then so it's printing it's a prime number. So 5 is a prime number. So it is giving you the correct output. Yes, that's all about today's video. So we have learned about the new concept called prime number checker using the concept we have learned. Thank you for watching the video.